Welcome to our lesson on ketones and aldehydes. Today we'll explore the key differences between these two important organic compounds. Let's start with ketones. A ketone has a carbonyl group that's a carbon double bonded to oxygen, with two carbon groups attached. A common example is acetone, which has two methyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon. Now, let's look at aldehydes. An aldehyde also has a carbonyl group, but one of the groups attached must be a hydrogen atom. The simplest aldehyde is formaldehyde, which has hydrogens on both sides of the carbonyl carbon. Let's highlight the key differences between ketones and aldehydes. First, in ketones, the carbonyl group is between two carbon atoms, while in aldehydes, it's at the end of the carbon chain. Second, aldehydes are generally more reactive than ketones because of the hydrogen attached to the carbonyl carbon. To summarize, ketones have a carbonyl group bonded to two carbon groups, while aldehydes have at least one hydrogen attached to the carbonyl carbon. This structural difference leads to different chemical properties and reactivity.